Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you all be fine. Alright students, in this slide you can see beautiful farm, and in the another picture you can see a machine is harvesting the fields. So the chapter is agriculture. In this chapter we are going to know about the ways in which agriculture is important to Pakistan, small scale arable farming in Pakistan, cash crop growing in Pakistan. I know that all of you like to eat biryani. Do you know how it is made? Biryani contains lots of ingredients: tomatoes, spices, and meat. But what is the other important part of it? Pakistan. Have you ever thought that how the farmers in Pakistan work hard to grow the rice that is the important ingredient of a biryani? Basically, Pakistan is an agricultural country. So, what is the meaning of agriculture? Agriculture includes the cultivation of land and the rearing of animals. Agriculture is the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surplus that nurtured the development of civilization. Wow, what a beautiful farm! Why agriculture is important? As we all know that Pakistan is an agricultural country, it has two important resources. It has a fertile land and 5 rivers that irrigates the field. Agriculture has a contribution towards the GDP of Pakistan. It has the third largest share in it. Agriculture is helping many industries in Pakistan by providing raw materials to the industries. What happens to all the crops and animal produced? Here you can see the cycle of growing crops. It is a continuous process, that preparation of a land where you are going to sow the seed, adding fertilizer in it, then a proper watering of those fields, protecting those fields and crops from uh, the weeds and spraying them DDT, then finally harvest them. Then we are going to store those crops that are grown, and it is a continuous process, and again we are going to prepare another field, our soil, for the another crop. Here you can see the beautiful pictures of a coffee field, tea plantation, sugar cane plantation, and the rubber plantation. A large variety of crops are grown to meet the needs of the growing population. As the population is growing day by day, so there is a lot of production of the crops as well. Many crops supply raw materials for the agro-based industries. Farmers now produce more than when Pakistan was founded. Despite the increase in the yield of the crops in Pakistan, it is still fairly low compared with other countries. Now here we can see the rice crop and the rice grain. It is the most important food staple in the world. It grows best in the alluvium clay soil which can retain water. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity, and a rainfall. Wheat. It is another Important food staple. It requires moderate temperature. It thrives best in well-drained soil. Wheat is grown extensively in all over the world. Yes, another crop, maize. It needs well-drained fertile soil. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall, and lots of sunshine. Cotton and sugarcane are the other important crops. The raw cotton is spun into cotton yarn. The yarn is woven into cotton cloth. It grows best on black and alluvial soil. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is one of the best cash crop that Pakistan grows and exported to other countries. Now the agricultural development increased the under cultivation area. It increased the crops that are growing year by year. Use high yielding variety of seed. Agriculture has developed world over. The development varies from place to place according to the temperature and the climate of that country. That's all for today. Thank you.